Alright, so if you have one of these, then it is now required that you have one of these, and this is a remote ID by Ruko. So what we're going to do is I'm going to point the camera down. I'm going to show you exactly what this is, explain a little bit more about it, and even show you how to use it. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so we have the old drone sitting here on the side, and I've already unboxed this little device. This is what it actually looks like. You can get an up close look at it. You can see you have your charge port on the side. You attach Velcro to this side for mounting. On the front right there, you have your setting button and your power button. And then this is the actual box that it comes in. I'm going to show you what all you get with this. You're going to get a total of 4 of attachment points. 2 of them are a standard Velcro and 2 are 3M 3-sided tape. I already have installed one of the Velcros on here because I have multiple drones, so I will have to move it around. If you don't and you only have one drone, then the 2-sided tape is an option to make a more permanent attachment. I just like to be able to remove it for charging and swapping around to different drones. You will, of course, get your user manual, and then you will get this little goodie bag right here. This has another mount, your cord here, which is a USB to USB Type-C cord. You're going to get you some zip ties, and that's everything that you're going to get. Now, the way this device works, it does work on Bluetooth 5. It takes 40 minutes to charge it. It's a 150 mAh battery. The operating voltage is 3.7 volts. It is 38 by 34 by 13.5 millimeters, and it weighs 13.5 grams or 0.47 ounces, and the dimensions in imperial is 1.5 inches by 1.34 inches by 1/2 inch. So that's all the specs and details. I'm going to show you now how to use this device, and I have pulled up the app. I will put an image of the app on one side or the other. And so you have your little device. First you want to power it on. You just hold down for 3 seconds and you will see the little green lights are now turning on. And then when you want to connect it to your device, you're going to hold the settings button down until it starts flashing fast. And then you will see on the app the device number will pop up, and then you can tap on that, and this is where you input all of the information for your particular drone, and this is what's going to be broadcast. So we're going to go back, and then you can also see that they have the drones around and the Bluetooth. And then if you hit the drones around, I can't really do it because it's going to show my location and that's not permitted. So if you hit drones around, it pulls up a map, and the map is actually going to show you the location of this device and any other devices that are broadcasting RID as well. And you can actually tap on the different RID modules and it will tell you all the information for that particular drone or aircraft using remote ID. And then I can probably show you this real quick because it's all zeros. But once you're on the map and you click on the actual remote ID, if you're trying to locate yours or another, it will tell you things like status, heading track, location, how high it is, the speed, horizontal speed, and just all these different information. It'll even give you the info on the actual drone operator as far as the ID coming from the device as well. The way I've set mine up, as I said, I put the Velcro on, and I have the Velcro on my drone, and now I can just simply stick this on there and I'm ready for my flight. If you do move it from drone to drone, make sure that you change the info inside per drone. You don't want to have the wrong flight numbers or the wrong drone model in here when you're flying on a different drone, because then you're no longer in compliance. So if you're getting into the world of drones, or if you've been in the world of drones, if your drone weighs more than 249 grams, you are going to need a remote ID. It is required. So, and that's even if you're commercial, personal, whatever. If you're putting one in the air and remote ID is not built already into your drone, which some of the newer ones are, then you will need a device like the Ruko RID system. It's super easy to use, it's super easy to set up, it's nice and compact and light, and it's going to get the job done. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.